Welcome back everybody. So guys, I've just teach you about how we can travel the data. We can send the data throughout the gateway, the get method, throughout the get variables. But here I'm just going to teach you another interesting thing, which is not the gateway or sending any data, actually just getting the data from any page. And actually you can say including the data. Okay, so if you remember that we just learned about the HTML, that we can use the iframe in the HTML to frame any other content in the same page. So here I'm just including a page within the page, the receiver.php page here in this page, because you know that I won't get these variables as errors because there I just applied the check on. So I'm just simply going on the index.html and the index.php, and where I just want to get the data. I just want to get the data after the last link. And here, how to include anything, just simply type include any space. Now don't need to put the equal sign or comma or etc. Just put the single or double quotes and mention the page name, the receiver, actually not the page name, the path name. Probably this can be in a subdirectory or in a back directory or etc. Now save and go to the browser back and refresh the page. Before refreshing, we need to open the page. So the localhost slash spelling should be clear, learn PHP in inner. Now you can see that this is the receiver page, and the page has a variable named var1, but it's not declared in a URL. That means it's working perfectly. I'm just creating a BR here and saving and going back and refreshing the page. So now you can see that this page has a variable. Well, this is not like the iframe. If I just go to the control U, means the source page source, so you can see that this page has a variable in the same page, index.php, and press enter. Now you can see that this page has a variable named var1. However, this page has no any variable named var1 or var2. Only we are just sending the data to the receiver.php, but the receiver is now completely included in this page. Even if I just create a variable here, the var, or I'm just creating the str1 and equal to, this is the string, and save, and now go to the browser back and refresh. So nothing happens. But if I just go there in index.php, and after the calling of the including, I'm just pressing enter and echoing the str1. The str1 has been created in include page in a receiver page, but because the receiver has been completely included in a PHP way, so we can echo the variable from that page. This is not the get method, okay? This is simply including. Refresh now. This is the string, you can see that. This is what I just want to say. So now this is called including, but there are some more interesting things about the include. We also can use the require instead of the include. They both are perfect and same, but there is a very little difference. I'm going to teach you about that. If I just type the require, and then just put the receiver.php and save it now. Refresh. Now it's still the same. You can see that this page has a variable. I think I should add some more BRs to clarify that. Refresh now. You can see that this one is coming from the receiver.php page. So basically, what is the difference between the include or the require? The very basic and simple difference that we want to include something. If it don't include, so no matter, but the require means the requirement of the page, the requirement of the index.php. okay, for example, if I just make this comment and just save and refresh, now it's still the same. But if I just type the receivers, not the receiver, so refresh the page, now I'm getting here, you can see that include receivers.php failed to open stream, no such follow directory in line number 14. Then again the same error in line number 14. Then it's telling that undefined variable str1, because str1 is coming from the receiver.php, and I just typed receivers. So now, but what I did, I'm just going there and adding some more BRs, and here pressing enter, and I'm just typing a new paragraph and save and go to the browser and refresh. Now I'm getting a new paragraph. Okay, I got the error on the variable. If I just remove the variable, then I won't get that error, the variable's error, but I'll get two errors still. But After these errors, I'm getting the line, a new paragraph. That means what it's telling you, you included a file which does not exist. But it's still, the other thing is working. But if I just apply the require instead of the include, and now receivers.php, so it's refreshed. Now you can see that after the error there is no any other thing. I just, that I just printed the a new paragraph. I can't see the new paragraph because the whole script is skipped to go further. Okay, it just is stopped on this error, the fatal error. So now I think you just understood that the script stops on a require if you just put the wrong data, or if you just if you just got something mistakenly, or put the wrong spelling, so it won't go further, the page won't go further, and the script stops. But if you just use the include, so script actually continues to reading the other data. So this is the difference between them. Well, this is another thing. I just want to teach you another interesting feature, the require once, the why to use the require once function and how to use that. For now, I'm just making this true as and perfect the receiver, and going to the browser and refresh the page. So now this page has a variable named var1, but it's still not declared to the in the variable. This is a receiver's page, whatever. Cut that and paste here, cut that and paste here, and save and duplicate. Now duplicate that. Okay, perfect. Refresh. Okay, now what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna copy all that and just printing here, save. Oh wait, I'm gonna use the echo for now. Yes, save and refresh the page. So now you can see that there are a lot more spaces. So basically what I just wanted, I'm just pressing enter here. Yes, yeah, here again I'm adding something. I'm adding the receiver.php again, the same page, and refresh the page. So now this page has a variable named var1, but it's not declared, and here the same thing you can see. If I just duplicate that and refresh, so now I'm getting again this page has a variable named. Okay, that means I can include the same page as much as time as I want, but there is a lock. If I just type here the require once, what this function does, it actually check that if the file has already been added or no. This file has been added already. So now refresh the page. So now I'm not getting the other pages. Okay, I can use the require once function multiple times as well. Require once and save and refresh. Now you can see that it's only has been added a single time. However, I just added this multiple times. This is the require once can do. So guys, in the next class we'll learn some more interesting things. Stay tuned and goodbye.